Welcome to the Health for Healing channel. Thank you for joining us. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Today we're about to unveil 5 fantastic fish recipes, from a succulent baked salmon to tangy fish tacos with fresh salsa. And let's not forget the zesty lemon garlic tilapia and a savory shrimp stir fry. Each is a breeze to prepare, brimming with health benefits and absolutely delicious. Stay tuned for these mouth-watering fish recipes that will surely satisfy your cravings while keeping you healthy. First on our list is the classic baked salmon. To prepare, you'll need a fresh fillet of salmon, some lemon, garlic, and your favorite herbs. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and while it's heating up, season your salmon with the lemon, garlic, and herbs. Once the oven is ready, bake the salmon for about 15 to 20 minutes or until it's flaky and cooked through. Now, while our salmon is baking, let's talk about why it's such a superfood. Salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation. It's also high in protein, making it a great choice for muscle recovery and growth. And let's not forget it's rich in vitamin D content, which helps maintain healthy bones and teeth. To serve, pair your baked salmon with a side of steamed vegetables or a fresh salad. So there you have it, a simple yet nutritious baked salmon recipe. Perfect for a hearty dinner. Next up, we have the delectable grilled tuna steak. To prepare, you'll need a fresh tuna steak, olive oil, lemon juice, crushed garlic, and your preferred herbs and spices. Start by marinating your tuna steak in a mix of olive oil, lemon juice, crushed garlic, and the spices for at least 30 minutes. While it marinates, preheat your grill to medium-high heat. Once it's ready, grill each side of your tuna steak for about 2 to 3 minutes. This simple yet delicious dish is packed full of health benefits. Tuna is an excellent source of lean protein, which aids in muscle growth and recovery. It's also rich in heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids, which can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation in the body. You can serve your grilled tuna steak with a side of steamed vegetables or a fresh salad for an added boost of nutrients. That's our second recipe, grilled tuna steak, a delicious way to enjoy a healthy meal. Now let's spice things up with some fish tacos with fresh salsa. This recipe is a burst of flavors. For the fish, we'll need a lean white fish, some spices, and some lime juice. For the salsa, gather up some tomatoes, red onions, cilantro, jalapenos, and more lime juice. Marinate the fish in spices and lime juice for 30 minutes. While it's soaking up those zesty flavors, chop up your salsa ingredients and mix them together. Next, grill your marinated fish until it's flaky and tender. This recipe is a great source of lean protein, which helps build muscle and keep you feeling full. Now, assemble your tacos with the grilled fish and fresh salsa. The salsa is packed with vitamin C and A from the tomatoes and cilantro, promoting a healthy immune system. And that's our third recipe, fish tacos with fresh salsa, a fun and healthy twist on a classic dish. Finally, we have 2 more delightful recipes, lemon garlic tilapia and shrimp stir fry. Let's dive right into the lemon garlic tilapia. This dish requires a simple blend of ingredients, tilapia fillets, fresh lemon juice, minced garlic, and some butter. Spice it up with salt and pepper and bake it for about 15 minutes. The result is a light, flaky fish infused with the tangy and savory flavor. The second dish is our shrimp stir fry. First, marinate the shrimp in a mixture of soy sauce and garlic, then stir fry it with a colorful array of veggies. Bell peppers, onions, and snap peas work great. Finish it off with a dash of sesame oil for an Asian twist. This dish not only looks vibrant, but also tastes incredibly fresh and delicious. Both tilapia and shrimp are powerhouses of protein, keeping you full and satisfied. They're also low in calories, making these dishes perfect for those watching their calorie intake. Tilapia in particular is known for its lean protein, while shrimp boasts a rich supply of iodine and antioxidants. These dishes are perfect as standalone meals or can be served with a side of steamed rice or quinoa for a wholesome meal. They're easy, they're quick, and they're incredibly flavorful. And those are our final recipes: lemon garlic tilapia and shrimp stir fry. Two delicious options to add a variety to your healthy meal plans. There you have it, 5 healthy and delicious fish recipes. We explored baked salmon, grilled tuna steak, fish tacos with fresh salsa, lemon garlic tilapia, and shrimp stir fry. These meals are a testament that eating healthy can be flavorful and exciting. Thank you for joining us. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to mean boring. Until next time, keep cooking, stay healthy, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.